Hello friends, myself Bhagwat Sarup Sharma would like to teach you or would like to introduce you the mathematics, teaching of mathematics for class 11th. So if we begin that in order to understand the concepts of class 11th, first of all we must understand what is the set. It is well defined collection of objects. So set is the well defined collection of objects. For example, set of students, set of boys, set of girls, set of teachers, set of principals, set of stars, or you can say set of planets, set of all the ex-prime ministers of India, set of all the principals of various schools. So it means that we can say the set is the well-defined collection of objects. Now I would like to tell you that as set is a well-defined collection of objects, meaning by what are these objects? In the language of mathematics, we say these objects are the elements of a set. That is, what are the elements of a set? The objects which are chosen, or the set of which objects is formed, or group of what objects. These objects are said to be the elements of the set. And especially we have two types of sets. One is the finite set and another is the infinite set. So finite set is that if number of elements in a set is countable, fixed, not unlimited, that is a finite set. And if we cannot count the number of elements present in a set, that is known as the infinite set. If I say set of all natural numbers between 2 and 10, so these are 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it means that we can count. I say the set of natural numbers from 1 to 100. It means what? It means that the 1, 2, 3, up to 99 and 100 is the set. So ultimately what we can say, that set of natural numbers, if I am binding it up to 100, up to 10, up to 50, up to 60, it is a finite set. If I say only and only that set of natural numbers, you know there is no largest natural number possible. It means what? Only by saying that set of natural numbers we cannot count the elements, that falls in the category of infinite set. But if I say only this much with bracket, with the boundary, with the limit, that set of first 5 natural numbers, that is a finite set. So we must understand very clearly that finite set means if the elements of a set are countable. This is finite set, and if we cannot count the number of elements present in a set, that is known as the infinite set. But there is a special type of set is also if there is no element in a set. How? If I give you one example, set of all the men having tail, or set of all the horses having horn, or set of all the natural numbers greater than 1 and less than 2. So if there is no possibility of existing any element in a set, that is known as empty set. We call it empty set, or we call it null set, and symbolically we represent it by the symbol phi.